Okay, continuing with the refrigerator problem. This, just to show you the vibration of traveling and everything. What happens is the plastic shelves are, well, they're cheap plastic. They're not metal. And what happens here is this will vibrate over the course of traveling, and it comes out of the ridge, and with the weight of any food on it at all, I mean, it's just anything within reason, it flexes. So you can see how that flexes, and it's going to eventually break. Also, if it comes out and it's flexed, once it's flexed with weight on it, you can't push it back in without unloading it. So, and then once it's down, it's sitting on the drawer, and it drags the drawer as well, or doesn't allow it to go back in fully, at which point it will hit the shelf and cause it to break when you shut the door, because you just really won't notice that until you shut the door, and then it breaks. So anyway, the other shelves are the same way. Just a really, really cheap design. You know, our Forest River, the Dometic refrigerator in that is unfortunately much better, at least as far as the shelves go.